Yo guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Subscribe down below, but before you subscribe, check out this dance. See that dance, guys? That's the new Tyler dance challenge. So first things first, the first dance tutorial, the first dance step is don't think men mundanes can do this. No, sorry. Don't think everybody can do this. Everybody can do this challenge. So the first step is kick inside. Your right leg to your left, then your left leg to your right. Still twist turning in between. So something like 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's the first step, guys. An easy dance tutorial. First step is to this side, 1. Second one is together. So it's ga. See it, guys, it's easy, guys. Just follow me, guys. It's easy, as you can see. So that's the first step. Now the second step is, so the song is ta ta ta. Da 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 da. If you want, take you up. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4, guys. Then the one step is this leg walk, butterfly walk, guys. Butterfly walk. You all can do this, guys. It's an easy step. Just do the butterfly challenge. You jump. That's enough, guys. You jump. Like this. And the second step, guys. The song is like 1, 2, 3, go. Pam 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 pam. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's tell it, guys. It's Tyler's new dance challenge. You can remix it how you want. Just play with the sound. Like the Africans. Africans we don't twerk, we don't whine. We do our own leg walk. Da 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 that's how I walk. That's how I walk. Don't walk, guys. Just do this, yes, dance tutorial. So, guys, don't forget any dance you want to learn. Just comment it down below. You hear me, guys? Comment it down below. So let's start from the beginning all over again. So that is just it. African challenge. 1, 2, 3, go. Ta 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 da 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 da. Da 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 da. That is our challenge, guys. Remember, subscribe, like the video, and comment what you want me to do. Don't forget to watch this 2 video over here. This 2 video over here. Don't forget to watch it. And I'll see you in my next video.